Hey everyone, I'm going to do expanded form addition now. This came by request from some of my students. It's a lot like front-end addition. It's just I'll write it down a little bit differently. It's very organized and it helps our students a lot. So first of all, I'll have to say what expanded form is. It's simply we take our number and we expand it. So if our number we start with, maybe it's 57, I'm going to expand it over here. That's the same as 50 plus 7. This 5 means 50, the 7 means 7. I expand it and it's 50 plus 7. And then maybe we're going to add another number. How about 22? I'm going to expand this one over here as well. The front 2 means 20. The back 2 means 2. And now I'm going to add these together. So like I said, it's a lot like front-end addition where I can start here. So 50 plus 20, that is 70. And then 7 plus 2 is 9. When I add those together, I get 79. And now I have to bring that back over here to the answer, 79. And that's how you do expanded form addition without regrouping. Here's a question with regrouping. It's a little more challenging, but I know you guys can do it. So if we have the number 87, again, I have to expand it first. That would be 80 plus 7. Maybe I'm adding 56. So I'm going to expand that one. That 5 means 50, and the 6 means 6. The cool thing about our language is when we read our numbers, we actually say the expanded form, 56, 56. So we're just putting the addition sign in between them because we know we join them together to make that number. So if you're having a hard time with expanded form, say it slowly and you'll hear all of the numbers. All right, so I expanded it. Now I have to add them together. 80 plus 50. Well, that's not as easy as the other one because this one it's going to be a larger number. It's going to go into the hundreds place now. So I know that 80 plus 20 would give me 100, and there would be 30 left here, so it would be 130. Okay. Don't be afraid to use other tools to help you with this. Like if you pictured base 10 blocks or 10 frames or even any type of group of 10. Well, I have 8 groups of 10 here and I have 5 more. So if I had 5 more on to those 8 10s, well then I would have 13 groups of 10s, which is 130. All right, so now I have my 7 plus my 6, and we know that fact is 13. So now when I bring it back over here to the answer, I have to change this because over here I have another 10. So my 13 is actually going to be 14 10s now, or 4 10s and 100, and then this 3 would be left over. So 143 is my answer. Again, I had 130. And when I added over here, I got another group of 10. So I had 30 here and 10 here, that's 40. So I had my 100, my 30 and 10 makes a 40, and my 0 and 3 would make a 3. Okay, so the answer is 143. And of course, when you add those together, you bring them back over here. So this is expanded form, but it's an adaptation of front-end addition. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Thanks.